All right, and here's the Flippy Screen in action. The reason I say that this one is for the X-T3 specifically is because the screen not only articulates this way, but it articulates this way as well. That allows me to mount the mirror system onto the side and be able to see what I'm seeing, but I'll show you guys that right now. So yeah, as you can see, I can see myself right there in front of the camera. This is a pretty awesome low-budget solution for being able to see yourself or just filming yourself. It just can save a little bit of time being able to check the framing from the front, and also probably save you footage down the road, because a lot of times I can start a vlog and I'll be like this, thinking that I'm at 10 millimeters and record the entire video, then I have to retake. First, I want to thank Camiror for actually coming up with this idea and putting it into production. I did order one, but it hasn't arrived yet, and I got really impatient, so I figured I could probably build something similar. So I will give her a full review on the Camiror when it does arrive, but for now, let me know what you think of this DIY project and if it's something that you would do. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.